In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple bookkeeping task list using Asana. We'll do everything on a desktop or laptop, so the interface is clear and easy to follow. Start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the Create button. From the options that appear, choose Project. You'll be prompted to pick a starting point. Select Blank Project so you're starting fresh without any pre-filled sections. Next, choose List as the layout. List view is perfect for bookkeeping because it lays everything out in straightforward rows, making recurring tasks easy to scan and update. Click Continue, then name your project Bookkeeping Task List. Keeping the name simple and descriptive helps you and your team find it quickly later. Now click Create Project to open your new workspace. With the project open, it's time to add tasks. Click Add Task and type Record Daily Expenses, then press Enter. This sets the habit of capturing every purchase, receipt, and small cost each day, which keeps your books accurate and up to date. Click Add Task and type Invoice Clients, then press Enter. This task reminds you to create and send invoices promptly, so cash flow stays steady and you don't miss billing cycles. Click Add Task and type Reconcile Bank Statements, then press Enter. Reconciliation is essential for catching errors and ensuring your accounting records match what the bank reports. Click Add Task and type Track Income, then press Enter. This helps you log payments received, categorize revenue sources, and see trends in what's working for your business. Click Add Task and type Prepare Monthly Financial Report, then press Enter. This wraps up your month by summarizing income, expenses, and profitability, giving you a clear snapshot for decision-making. At this point, you've built a clean, focused bookkeeping task list. You can keep it as is for a simple workflow, or later personalize it with due dates, assignees, or sections to group daily, weekly, and monthly items. If you're working with a team, keep task names consistent and action-oriented so everyone knows exactly what needs to happen. That's all you need to get started. A reliable, repeatable list that supports daily discipline and makes monthly reporting easier. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.